In this video, I'm gonna go over 3 metrics every bookseller should be tracking in their business if they wanna make more profit. And at the end of this video, as always in these videos that I'm gonna be doing over the next few weeks, I'm gonna give you a pro tip on how you can make more money in your book business. And today, the pro tip is freaking amazing. So, the 4 metrics, actually, I tricked you guys, it's actually gonna be 4. The 4 metrics you should track, number 1 is profit. Every week, you should be tracking how much profit am I making in my book business. I'm gonna give you guys a super simple way to track profit in just a second. Number 2, you should be tracking what your average sales price is. As a bookseller, try to keep your average sales price as high as possible. If you can keep it above $20, you're probably gonna be running a very profitable business. If your average sales price is $10, you're probably one of those sellers that has like a couple thousand in sales, but they're not making any money. Their bank account balance is not going up because their average sales price is so low that if you're selling a book for $10, Amazon's taking $9 in fees, you're left with $1. You paid $1.50 for the book, so you actually lost money on it. So try to keep that average sales price as high as possible. Number 3 is gonna be what is your sell-through rate. So if you have 1,000 books in stock, on average, you should be selling about 20% each month. So you should be selling, no matter how many books you have in stock, you should be selling 20% each month. So if you have 1,000 in stock, you should be selling 200 each month at least. If your sell-through rate is lower, you either need to reprice more aggressively, so match buy box or go below the buy box, or you're just sitting in crappy books. So reassess your triggers with your scanning app. Number 4, what you should be tracking is items listed. So assume your average sales price is good, your sell-through rate's good, your profit is good, everything is good. Now just feed the beast. Load more inventory into Amazon FBA. That's all you need to do. Everything else is good. What are you waiting for? If you want more help finding profitable inventory, bunch of free resources below. We have a community that is dedicated solely to feeding the beast. So if you guys want to build an Amazon FBA book business, 100% free, private coaching calls every single week, join the Feed the Beast Challenge. That's going to be linked below. I told you guys I would give you a pro tip, and today the pro tip is amazing. And that pro tip is twice a year, you can go to a local college near you and purchase textbooks from students. This is how I built my book business from day one. I was in college and I would set up a table in the cafeteria. I was fortunate enough to be a student, so I'd be in the cafeteria. I'd have a big stack of books and all the kids would bring me the books. But this is something anybody can do if you call the president of a smaller school or head of student affairs if it's a larger school. Give them a cut of how much you buy, so maybe say 10%. So if you buy $1,000 worth of books, cut them $100. If you spend 10 grand, which is completely possible, you're gonna pay them $1,000. Whatever, cut them in on the deal somehow. Set up a table during finals week, and everybody, it's a cathartic experience if you're a student and you have your textbook and you're leaving your, what's the worst class? Organic chemistry. You're leaving organic chemistry class. You got your organic chemistry textbook that you paid $300 on Amazon for. And you see some dude with a stack of cash offering you cash for the books, you're going to be their therapist. They want to take that book and throw it in the dumpster. You're offering them $10 for their $300 book, literally, and they'll give it to you. Now, you should probably give about 25% of the lowest sales price. That's what I recommend you do when you buy back books from students. And if you're worried about restricted textbooks, it's a valid concern. Definitely go to booksrun.com. They're the official sponsor of this channel. Use their counterfeit calculator. So as you're buying the books from the students, go to booksrun.com, look at that counterfeit calculator. If the book is highly likely to be counterfeit, don't tell the student you don't want to buy their book. Simply go to booksrun or bookscouter.com, type in the book, and both websites will give you an estimate on your book. And what you can do, let's say some website's paying $50 cash. Let's say Valor Books, or Don't Use Textbook Rush because they've been known to rat out the community for selling counterfeit books, but on accident. So if you send them a counterfeit book, Textbook Rush has been known to tell on you. So don't send it to them. Valor Books is good. Books Run's good. Sellbackyourbook.com is good. So if they're offering $50 for the book, offer the student maybe $30, and boom, you make a quick $20 flip. Just like that. There's also restrictedinventory.com, the business I built and sold. I'm no longer associated with it, but they will pay you half the profit. So if that book's gonna make you $150 profit, restrictedinventory.com will pay you $75. So actually right now they'll actually pay you $130 because they have a $20 cap. That may or may not go away in the future, we don't know. I was gonna take it away next year if I was running the business, but the owner may keep that. And if you wanna track these instantly, easily, automatically on your phone, We do have a mobile app over at GoToLister, and this is automatic. When you sign up for GoToLister, we have a free trial below. It's 100% free to try out. It is going to tell you all these metrics. So it's going to tell you what your profit is each week. It's going to tell you what your average sales price is. It's going to tell you what your sell-through rate is, and then you can track your items listed on our website. And it's also going to tell you how much available sales value you have at Amazon, how much profit you would make if all those items sold today. So this is a stats app that we created, and it's included with your GoToLister subscription. So if you guys want to give GoToLister, the fastest listing software on the planet, a free trial, click the link below, and you'll instantly, within an hour or two, get access to all these stats on our mobile app. So that is the video for today, guys. Much love. Catch you in the next one. Peace.